Come on, guys.
It is Sunday, Father's Day.
Father's Day.
June
19th?
19th?
Yeah.
And I am
Sarah. And I am Jeremy. We are the couples.
39 and a half weeks pregnant. Almost 9 months to the day this Thursday. And so this is an update of where I'm at.
There we go.
There we go.
How's that?
So today we're going on a hike. We are out in Mission. We are hiking up to Hoover Lake. Hopefully we make it there. First 3.5 kilometers or so are on a service road. I'm guessing somewhat like this the whole way. And then, well, we'll find out. If we can make it all the way around the lake, we're looking at 9 kilometers. So that's best case scenario. And if it's too much, we turn back early.
Yeah.
We do have 2 little dogs with us. I am almost 9 months pregnant. So we'll see what happens.
We have one working ACL.
And my knee is actually not so bad. Given my fall 3 weeks ago and how not so great it felt, it's doing really well. No pain, stability has come back, doesn't feel weak anymore, but I definitely have my brace on, secured it nice and tightly for today. So let's see where we go. All right, I guess this service road has a name. Upper Hoover Road.
Upper Hoover Road down.
Half kilometer into it. On the map, it had no name. Oh. 1K, 3 times over.
1K.
You're right?
They
Just to make sure that we know for sure we're at 1K. Well, for a route that's not advertised, I've got a lot of markers. That's a 20-minute kilometer. Thank you, doggos.
Hey, that's okay. Uphill though.
Uphill.
That's good.
Yeah.
Like what other direction do you have to take?
Ooh, it flattens out.
Hey.
Nice. That's pretty. Oh, rained just a little bit before we got here.
Yeah, softened up.
And there's nothing, no rain right now. Cool, it's hot. It's hot out here.
You're running hot. It looks like a hot day.
I'd be dying if it was an actual hot day.
Yeah. Come on, mountain dog. Yes. Our little mountain dogs.
Our mountain dogs. 1.5.
1.5.
This is a lovely, what would you call it? Undulating uphill?
Yeah. Yeah. It's rolling up.
Rolling up. Yeah, that's a good one.
Rolling up to the lake.
Here. Okay, that's a good straight up go.
That looks cool.
Oh, yeah, it does look cool. It's misting. We got some fog. Ooh. Oh, we got some good climbing.
Yeah.
Almost at 2. Feels like straight up. This is straight up. What do you think, Sky? No problem at all.
Fine.
This is great. What do you think, Osh?
Kilometer.
Steady mist.
Steady mist.
Steady mist coming down. A little bit of a flat bit. That's nice. Almost at 3 kilometers. An hour in, 55 minutes.
Right.
Yeah. And getting hungry.
Scat.
Oh, yes. Lots of scat. Lots of scat.
Look at that though. Look at the mist. Cool.
Pretty. Okay, here's the fork. Hoover Lake Trail. Oh, that looks like a lovely trail.
Yeah,
Hoover Lake Trail is that way.
Full of trail, isn't it?
Looks beautiful. We'll come back on the trail. We're gonna go loop around the lake. So we're gonna continue taking the service road up for another, oh gosh, kilometer or so. 3K down. Just finished 3K. Now that we've passed the turnoff point, it's pretty much flattened out. Not that it's flat, now it's just what you call undulating, right?
Yeah, sure.
Little up, little down, little ups, little downs, little ups, little downs. Quite lovely.
Yeah, much easier.
Much easier. Oh my gosh, this is
a walk in the
walk in the park. A walk in the forest park. Just over 4 kilometers. Right, Sky? And a little bit more climbing. So much for the flattish, undulating. Whew. And I'm hungry. Need to eat. Now. Need some food. Okay. Yeah. Much better. Half a Hornby Island bar. Now we're going down again. Hey, Sky? I'm a little bit afraid of going down. I'm not too sure about this. Some loose stones to be careful on. And make sure that nobody falls
No falling allowed.
on this trek today.
Thank you. Oh, tree down. Just a little one though.
A tree down. I don't know if you can call that a tree. A twig down.
That's no twig. That's a tree. But we traversed it. It's fine.
Okay, that was a lot of loose rocks going down. Eyes on the ground the whole way. Still kind of.
Oh, there we go.
Ah, yay! Here we are, maybe. I think, maybe. Turn off to the trail, coming right up. Somewhere.
Someone put an arrow here.
Oh, it is! Wow, that's so nice of them.
Yeah,
Aw,
just in case
some
you miss it.
lovely person pointed us to the trail. Because, yeah, it's not marked at all. No signs. But here we are. All right, kids.
There we go.
Let's do this.
Trail walking. Got 4.8 on the.
Ooh, almost 5.
Wow.
Almost 5K. Oh, this is nice. This is trail walking. Oh my goodness. 5 kilometers in on this lovely trail that Ocean is absolutely loving. Osh, do you love the trail? Do you love the trail, bud? Ready, set? Go get Dad. Sky, you want to try the trail? You want to try the trail? You want to try? There we go. Doggos are loving the trail. I actually quite like the trail also. It's a nice trail. It's very lightly traveled. Yep, yep. Not well marked. Definitely want to map it out and have it on the Gaia map or another map before coming in. Just to be on the safe side. But there's the lake right there. Ooh, right through the trees. Very peaceful. Very lovely.
Very quiet, isn't it?
So quiet, so quiet. Here we go. Little lake view. Somebody's made a little picnic table. We are at, about 5.5 kilometers. Still enjoying it, Osh? Are you still enjoying it? Yes. Yep.
Hard yes.
Hard yes. No flat. Lots and lots of ups and downs. The whole way. Keeps it interesting. And he's off. Whew.
You do good?
Yep. I am doing good.
No contractions?
No contractions.
That's slippery there, that wood.
all these lookout points, people have made little benches or whatnot. Isn't that lovely? A little damp. A little damp. We won't sit down, but we'll take a look.
Like that, like, you know what I mean? Like a bridge for work.
Right.
That's not for people to just walk across.
No, no, like 100 years ago.
Yeah, yeah.
Some sort of very old, probably something to do with logging.
It's almost like this was like, yeah, work.
Wow.
A work camp.
Like that's huge. These huge trees
Yeah.
placed right there and there.
Yeah. Oh my.
Oh
Are
my.
you gonna attack me? Let's go.
What?
Let's go. Dad, you can't stop. I have too much energy. Yeah, like that's my. It's just my best guess is that that's some kind of transportation bridge for them to move. Oh. Okay. Oh, he's drinking.
So much to explore. We just turned away from the lake and we are climbing up. Away from the lake, back up to the road, the service road. That is a full out.
Well, it's not a true fire pit.
Oh,
It's a hole in
no.
the ground, but
Weird.
can't
Oh,
stop
and
for
that's,
too long because
that's the stop.
yeah,
That's
this is the start of the.
start of
Well,
this.
actually, not even start because it still
Goes
keeps
up
going.
higher. Ha. What a wreck. Interesting. Okay. That way, I think. No? Ribbon?
I don't think so. I think it's straight up here.
No way.
Oh yeah, Blazes. Darn it! Rats! Fine. Go this way. I thought you wanted an adventure.
This is an adventure.
Come on, kid.
I'm 9 months pregnant. Pregnant belly.
Sure enough.
I'm climbing with my pregnant belly. Ooh. Tree down.
Tree down.
I don't think anybody's coming along with a chainsaw anytime soon to. Ooh.
Oops.
I can't get my What are we at? 6.2 kilometers. Fun little trail. Lots of fun.
That was fun.
I don't know where Ocean went. Oh, it's right up. Oh, there he is. Oh, he came back.
He won't go
He
far.
came back. Oh my goodness, it's starting to mist again. What an on again, off again misty day. Ocean man. Ooh. Ready, set? Here we go. It's a muddy. Oh. Muddy, muddy, muddy. There we go. Fun little obstacle course to be careful on. Whew. Hey, Sky, you get mud all over Mom?
Good?
Yep. Still climbing out. 2.5 hours.
Oh.
2.5 hours in.
Wow.
Wow.
I've lost my sense of direction now.
Yes.
Oh, look at our road. I came over and joined us.
Oh my goodness. Wow, more of that broken up path road. Need something to do with logging 100 or more years ago, I'm sure. Oof. Oh my.
Let's see. I don't think so. Oh no, I think he would. But it won't be easy.
Oh, good boy. What about Sky?
Oh boy.
You do it? You got it?
Come on, Sky. Yeah.
Oh, there's a root in the way. Can you come back and get her?
No, you have to come and then she'll come. I will.
She-
Sky, come on.
It got stuck.
Oh, here we go. Good girl, Sky. You're right though. That was if it just hooked her, she would have been like, guys, I'm stuck. Look at this.
Oh my.
That's cool.
Wow.
Even look at all the little droplets on the edge. Wow.
Oh, and here we are, 6.5 kilometers total hiked, and we are coming out onto the service road again. Here we go. Okay.
Boom.
The good news is we have like 3 kilometers of straight downhill. Almost downhill all the way now. All right.
Yeah. 2/3 done. Mwah, kisses.
What do you think,
You
Sky?
have dirt on your face.
What?
Yeah. There you go. Oh my, yeah, Sky. Oh, that's never mind. Yeah, you got some dirt on you.
Yeah. That's why I wore white.
I'm gonna eat my apple now.
Yes, apple. 1 apple for you, and 1 apple for me.
My empire. What do you get?
There you go, same thing. That's all that we had. Well, all that work climbing up gets us all the downhill now. It's steep downhill.
Yeah.
A lot of putting the brakes on. I'm actually like, wow, this was good climbing on the way up. 8 kilometers. Looks like it will be about 9.5 or so by the time we're done. And hey, we did it all.
Yeah.
Good job, all of us.
All 5 of us.
All 5 of us. Hey, Sky. Good job. Good job, Sky. Yeah, she's happy. And we are almost out, almost done. That was a little tough on the back actually, and the hips coming down hill.
It was more of a workout than we thought. It was coming down, right? We thought, oh, down, you just glide down, but it's still a workout.
That's a work. Oh, there it is. There's the highway. I know. And here we are. The only car parked in the parking lot. Unmarked parking lot. Unmarked trail. But it was lovely. Yay.
9.94.
9.94.
3.5 kilometers.
Let's call it 10.
Okay.